not such a, I mean, it's a good day and a bad day. I am at the impound lot getting my truck back. It's a bittersweet thing. Like I'm happy I got my truck back. You know, fortunately I had my wonderful family is always there, and I want to start the video by saying thank you for helping me get my truck back. Because anybody know living in DC, you don't pay them tickets, they on your ass. I'm gonna stay out these people's way from now on. If I'm driving too slow, you just gonna have to go around me. I can't do it. I financially cannot deal with the ticket system here in DC. There are cameras everywhere. You can't park nowhere. You can't do nothing. You better all, if you got a house with a garage, park your shit in the garage. Now, I'm waiting for the tow truck to bring my car back out, and I will be back with y'all in a second. And then they're gonna still leave a ticket on there? Jesus. There she go. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Man, it's a damn shame they treat her like that. They put stickers all on her. Man. Man, look. Pay your tickets, folks. Don't be like me. Just pay your tickets. This is a lesson for me. I mean, I've been stressed before. I mean, God dog. It's sad to see my truck up there like that. Like I don't like that, man. I really don't. But I'm gonna get back. So I got my truck back from the impound. When I got it back, it would not start. So I'm trying to figure out what was going on with it, right? So let me show y'all. All right, I'm gonna grab my key. So look, not getting nothing. I hear the fuel pump going off, my radio, everything cut on. But I noticed it said it was in reverse. So, and then here we go. It goes straight down. Matter of fact, I ain't even got to put my foot on the brake. Nothing. So, cut that off. Come to find out, you know, they had to tow it. So they went under there and they disconnected something from my transmission. I think they I forgot the name of that cable somebody told. I forgot. I can't think straight right now because I'm a little upset. But this is what I mean about, man, just stay out of DC way, man. Like I tell people this all the time, man. Try your best to do all that you can. Make sure everything is up to date if you live in DC. Because these greedy motherfuckers, they will ticket. They will keep ticketing your car no matter what. They're gonna take your car. And then they just gonna do whatever it is they want to do with it. When it went in the impound, I got that shit immediately. Every time I get it, somebody always tell me something, oh, am I selling it? No, I'm not. I'm not selling it. People always try and scheme and try and get shit from you, try to take the shit that you work for, all that shit. Like, I can't stand DC, but I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna start this video back up once I get it started. Be right back. She's alive. You motherfucker clean. Let me give my man permission, man, so I can put it on the channel. Ooh-wee. That don't sound good too.